think it's important to apply for the Export Awards because it can, first of all, it can be a fantastic experience. It makes you, I suppose, get creative with your application and really think about your company's journey into export and all going well. If you get shortlisted, first of all, it's great to be included in the shortlist, usually very high caliber entries every year. And the networking opportunities and the awards category and the services that follow, or all the services offered by the IEA, are fantastic. Then if you're lucky enough to be a winner, it's fantastic credibility for your company. It's a great achievement, and it's good for your team, for team morale, so I definitely recommend going for it. So since we were announced as winners of Technology Exporter of the Year, we definitely feel like we got more brand recognition from it, so the PR was fantastic. I think it's a very credible award. It's amazing the difference that adding the tagline award winning onto your company bio or your sales materials or in tenders, how that can solidify trust or, I suppose, quality in the eyes of the consumer or the client. So it's definitely that little bit of added credibility that we've experienced since winning it. If I had any advice for new companies who are interested in applying, I would say to look at the range categories, and I wouldn't recommend entering a lot of categories. I think finding the best fit for your company or where your niche is, and really put your efforts into doing a really good application for that one category instead of spreading yourself too thin. My second piece of advice would be to tell a story. Your application should be a story and make it easily read and digestible and interesting, I suppose. So tell the journey of where your company has come. That's certainly what we did, and what we try to do in general in our branding and our marketing is tell the story of our company. So I definitely think that helps. And I suppose if you're lucky enough to get shortlisted or win, to leverage that and make the most of the whole process, the PR available to you, the support, the networking, whatever it may be. Think about the process and definitely use it to your advantage.